Look, I want you to get out as fast as possible from your house while looking as good as possible. So today I'm going to show you the morning routine that you should be doing if you want to be a good looking individual all day, because let's be honest, you dudes are already good looking. Like, you guys already look like studs. We just want to bring out the best version of you. And you're going to do that every single morning with this routine. Let's go. Number one, and probably the most important thing that I do, is you got to pre-plan your outfits the night before. You don't have to like literally sit there and pick them out like it's your first day of school. No. We're not kids, but plan them up here, right? You know what's in your closet already. Plan out what you're going to wear depending on the weather, the situation, who you're going to be meeting with, and then have it up here. In the morning, it's literally boom, 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 boom. That's it. This is where you waste the most time trying to figure out every single morning. Number two, hit the gym or hit a home workout. Whatever it is, your goal is to get some physical activity as soon as you get up. This right here will make you feel accomplished, and that accomplishment will turn into motivation, which will then turn into confidence throughout the day. It also gets your heart rate and blood pumping, which gives you this natural energy boost that just makes you look more vibrant, more charismatic all day. Not to mention that over time, you're also gonna get leaner, look more athletic, build on muscle, which is just like, it's a myriad of positive that you should be doing every single morning. Number three, streamline your skincare routine. Wash, moisturize. Wash, moisturize, that's it. Wash your face, moisturize. That's all you gotta do. And now washing, you can even do a 2-in-1 in the shower. See, we're dropping a new body scrubber this Saturday, actually, October 16, 10 a.m. Eastern, from HYDRATE. The body scrubber has small little silicone bristles. They're tiny, that are meant to exfoliate the skin. You can easily apply your facial cleanser to that thing and gently exfoliate your face in the shower, then wash that off, put on your body wash, and then wash your body. Quick 2-in-1, you're in and out in 5 minutes, and now you've done a proper skincare routine and fully exfoliated your skin. See, our body scrubber, the bristles are more efficient than our fingertips at going into your pores and really lifting out all that dirt, all that oil, all that dead skin. When you step out with soft, supple skin, because now it's actually clean from all that gunk. This is exactly why we built this body scrubber, so you can replace that loofah that probably stinks that you haven't replaced in over a year, or replace that towel. With this body scrubber, you don't have to be replacing it every 3 months. You buy one, it's gonna be super affordable. Like, we're pricing this so affordable, I already know it's probably going to sell out. Matter of fact, if I were you, I'd put a reminder on your phone. October 16th, 10 a.m. Eastern. Here's the thing. If you don't, you're probably going to forget. By the time you do remember, it's probably going to sell out. It's so affordable. It's going to move like this. I don't want you to miss it. So if you guys want a body scrubber that's going to streamline your morning, check it out. Number four, learn to manage your natural hair. See, so many of us in the morning spend so much time trying to fight against our natural hair to stylize our hair with all this product and all this heat. And what ends up happening is you just wasted 20 minutes in the morning, and that hair, since it's not natural, is gonna be fighting to fight back to its natural state. And that's why during midday, it now looks messy, frizzy, curly, or whatever. Figure out a hairstyle that works with your natural hairstyle. This way you streamline your mornings, you avoid damage, and the hair actually looks good and in place all day because it's in its natural state. This is why my hairstyle now, it's more curly and wavy. This is my natural hair, and I've figured out a hairstyle that works for me, that I can get it done in about a minute in the mornings and will look exactly the same at 10 at night today. Number five, exfoliate the lips. So many of you guys, especially during winter, are walking around with chapped, dry, white powdered lips that look gross. And if you ever even have the chance to be next to a girl, yo, do you really think she's gonna wanna kiss you? Look, when you're brushing your teeth, this is super simple. Wash your toothbrush off. Using the bristles, gently just exfoliate your lips. Remove all that dead skin that you're getting, especially as the weather's changing. You go through this stuff. And then apply a lip balm. It could be a lip balm, it could be Vaseline, whatever it is, just to re-moisturize your lips. It's gonna work similar to a moisturizer on your skin. You're gonna moisturize your lips so they stay soft all day and they look plump. And finally, number six, hydrate. Right before you step out the house, I want you to take a big glass of water, and then do that at least 8 more times during the day. See, dehydration is the fastest way to destroy your energy and make your skin look dull. It also makes your wrinkles look more prevalent. So to pump up the vibrancy of your skin and your overall mood, drink as much water as you can, especially as soon as you get up. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget, October 16, 10 a.m. Eastern, our new HYDRATE products are dropping. You're not going to want to miss it. That's it for me today. See you next time.